Hi guys, today I'll be unboxing this Tekton 1/2 inch drive micrometer torque wrench. So it is 10 to 150 foot-pound. Okay, so I'll just open this now. So actually this one is sealed on the other end, but this one is not sealed. So just open this one. Yeah. It comes in a very nice case. Looks very sturdy, plastic case. Then open this part. Yeah, here it is. Then there's also conversion tables here. Okay, so here is the torque wrench. It's quite heavy. Then there's a manual. So let's see what's inside the manual. Yeah, operator's manual. Then some guide how to use it. Then torques, conversion, and what's inside. Okay. See here, so there's a setting here, so reverse and forward. Then there's a setting here for foot-pound from 10 to 150. Then there's a Newton meter, the other side. Okay, to adjust, you just loosen this one, then you can set the torque setting, then you're ready. Okay, so normally you have to put it once you select, then you have to tighten this again. Then once you're finished, you have to loosen again, then set it back to the original to maintain the accuracy of the spring. So I'll measure the length of this one, the total length from end to end. It's about 18.5 inches, nearly 18.5 inches. So 30 or 47 centimeters. And also the weight of this one, try to weigh it. About 260 grams, so 1.26 kilos. Okay, so I'll try this one later on. Then there's also an adjustment setting here, so for calibration. So we'll try this one later on, then I'll show you. Okay, thank you for watching.